Hey there folks, it's Dub here, and I got to start off by apologizing. This is actually the December 2018 box, well, more like bag. They're from Cairn, but I've just been busy, been moving, and so I just didn't have time to get to this, the holidays and everything else, so it's a bit late. I have been late putting out some original videos as well, but I've got some stuff coming up, so stay tuned. With that being said, let's dig into this and see what it is. I don't really have a guess this time. I don't know, it feels like a bag of cereal. I don't even know. Let's just get into it. I want to know what it is, and it's been a long time. Alright. There we go. So, it says, find yourself in a winter wonderland. So that might be a clue. I'm not sure. So here we open up the Cairn Scout. And you can take a look at that, pause it if you want to. There you go. So, moving that off to the side, we'll take a look, and the first thing I'm grabbing... Alright, well, I said a bit... Alright, so I'm not necessarily wrong. Alright, this is a Cliff. This is energy from granola. This is blueberry crisps. And they're little nuggets there. As you can see, that's basically a bag of cereal, right? I guess I'll give myself some credit on that one. We'll hold up the nutrition facts there if anybody wants to take a pause and take a look at that. But basically, servings, there's about 5, it says, 250 calories, and we're looking at 8 grams of protein. Good little snack. Let's try that out. Okay, now we got that out of the way. What's the next thing we grab in here? Here's something. It says Google Sock is the best I can make out of this. It is a little bit of scenery there. I see a phone. What's going on here? What is this thing? Oh, okay. I guess it's for something that's Google's goggle. I guess it's for the front of your goggles. You can cover it up so you don't scratch your lenses and whatnot. Very convenient. If you ever had like a bag you put your gear in when you're going out and hitting the snow, your glasses, your goggles always seem to get tore up. So those will go over the front of it there, and then they're going to be protected if you don't already have a goggle bag, or if you do, that's just a little added protection. Maybe you like that better than just a regular bag. All right, moving on to the next thing here. It looks like Coal POW. Let's see, protect our winters. That's what POW is standing for. So just a beanie from Coal. Looks pretty heavy duty. Let's see here. Anything important to pass along? The Polylana, I guess this is what's called. Not too much. Pretty self-explanatory. Kind of a dark blue beanie there. Should be nice and warm. Is there anything else in the bag? That is it. So we find ourselves with a beanie, the goggle protector, and the Cliff granola. So, gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. That's not, it's not too crazy of stuff. I mean, it's always cool to have a nice beanie, but I mean, I got quite a few beanies. As busy as I've been, I haven't been up to the snow in a while, so not much need to protect my goggles. So I guess I will have to go with the blueberry crisps here. Hope they're good. Anywho, this is Dub signing off. This was the 2018 Cairn box, and like I said, or Cairn. And check back in. We'll have some new videos coming up soon. Thanks so much. Dub signing off.